Okay, now you're going to go to onekindplanet.org in the search box, and then when you get to the page, you're going to click on Animals A to Z. And when you get to that page, you are going to scroll down to the box with the alphabet. You're going to think of the first letter of your animal's name. So ours is giraffe. It starts with a G, so it's going to highlight pink, and I'm going to click that G. And it's going to load all the animals that it has information for on a G animal. So I'm going to scroll down until I find giraffe, which there it is. I'm going to click Read More. It's going to bring up information as I scroll down about the giraffe. So right there's a picture of it, and as I go, we have these awesome headings here in pink that are a little bit bigger than the paragraphs to tell you what that paragraph's going to be about. So this one is amazing facts. This is species of giraffes. This is what they look like, and remember we're trying to find their diet, so I'm looking for what they eat. So I'm going to go down, and here's where giraffes live, so I'm going to use this later to help me with my habitat piece in my notes, but for right now I'm going to what do giraffes eat, and here it is. And I'm going to read that, and it says giraffes are browsers, so they use their long neck to feed on the leaves, shoots, and fruits of tall bushes and trees. They feed on a variety of plants, and diet varies depending on location and season, but acacia leaves and shoots are most common. So what I'm going to do is hold that green button again until it gets smaller so that I can split my screen with my notes. I'm going to click my notes here. There we go. And then I am going to go down to animal diet, and I'm going to click the box, and I'm going to use what they eat here, and I'm going to just bullet them so I know they eat shoots, leaves, fruits, on bushes and trees, and tall bushes and trees. And then it says a variety of plants, so I'm going to put that. And fix that. Then I'm going to go back to the source page again, and we talked about this, and you are going to get the copy of the link here. Then over here where it says source, you're going to insert a link. We're going to paste it. And for the link title, we're going to call it One Kind Planet. That's where we're at. That way I can go back to it later for my citation page. So that's the source you're going to use today. Then when you're done, you can go search for some more sites or look through your library books to find more information about your animal's diet. You can also go back and find your animal habitat, because we've talked about that already, and you can use this source to help you. So we could put now One Kind Planet again. We're going to highlight it. We're going to insert the link. Apply it. And then here we can also put what we find. So where they live, it says open plains, so we can put that. Grasslands. And it says savannas of Africa. And we have also found that same information in our last search on Animal Fact Guide, the sub-Saharan region of Africa, so in savanna areas. So this is pretty consistent. This is kind of the same information, which is good because we know that we are looking at the correct information about our animal. And that is how you can go ahead and do your search for diet and get it in your notes so that you're ready for the next thing.